friends. We're here at the Warwick Center for the Arts with Aileen, who's preparing for her next class, Vision Glass Painting.
Yes.
And she's using a glass paint
We
to
have
create a design.
enamel and metallic paint for glasses, and I have some nice little dotting manicure tools that we can share in class. Or we have kits if you prefer to stay home.
She has the kit prepared
Prepared.
for all the supplies
Pick up.
and the glasses. So you can pick that up ahead of time and do it at home over Zoom, or you can come into our classroom, which has been cleaned and set up with plenty of space for everyone to spread out. And we also have our new blue air purifier that cleans the air out, I think something like 5 times an hour. Anyway, so Aileen, tell us a little bit about what people are going to learn in this class.
So we are going to learn different techniques for glass painting and different tools to use, different paint. There are some that are translucent and some that have more coverage that you can't see through. There's a matte black that we use for the flower from the inside, and then we're going to add our own color. Whichever color will bring you joy. We can do 2 glasses of any color. This happens to be my sunflower. And on the inside you can see with the reverse painting, which is always a nice surprise. There's a pearlescent paint on the bottom of the base that has a metallic look to it as well. I was going to do a blue one because I want to have every color available when people come for the class.
So the idea is that people are going to pick their color of the year, or whatever color brings them joy, right? And then a word, maybe.
Word of the year, something inspirational, like a vision you would do on a vision board for the year.
I love that. So that every time you have your mindful glass of wine, you can think about your special word. And
we'll have a list. So right now I'm doing a double stroke, double dipping the palette, so that we can have our petals for our flowers can have a multicolor to them. So I can show you how to do this too. I'm going to put this on the black, which is already dry, and we can create.
Look at that. So I'm excited about this. So this is going to be on a Friday night, January 29th, where you can, like we said, be in person or at home. You can have your beverage of choice in one glass and then be painting another glass. It'll be nice and relaxing.
It will be fun.
Yeah, and like I said, you have the option of coming to pick up the kit, to follow along with us at home, or be here in our classroom.
Join us.